In this video, let us see how to convert this image into a pencil sketch. Here you can see we have converted that image into this pencil sketch. To do this, we're going to use a library called the OpenCV Python. So we will have to install that library. So to do that, just open your terminal or command prompt. So let me open up my terminal. To install that, just type the following commands. Pip install OpenCV Python. So this is the library. With the help of this library, we can able to convert this image into a sketch. So let's close this. Consider this is the color image of the sketch image. I can able to show the demo of this image. I have already converted that. So let me download a new image to show you how you can convert that image into a pencil sketch. So just go to the Google. I'm gonna download a Doraemon image. You can download any image, but for simplicity, I'm gonna download one of these images and show you how you can convert this image into a sketch art. So let's save this to the desktop, and I'm gonna name this file as doraemon.png. Here you can see now we have the Doraemon image in this current working directory. You can see that we have these images here. So let us see how to convert this Doraemon image into a pencil sketch art. So let's create a Python file now. The file name will be sketch.py. So let's import the library that we have installed now. We're going to import this CV2, and after we have imported the CV2 library, we can read the image equal to cvt dot read image. So this will take the name of the file. The name of the file is the doraemon.png. So pass that image name here, doraemon.png. Once we have that image, we have to convert that image into one gray image. Currently the image is in the form of BGR, blue, green and red. So we'll have to convert that image into one gray image. So gray image equal to cv2.convert color. So we're gonna convert the color on this image and BGR to gray, cv2.bgr to gray. You can see now we have the suggestion. Just click on the suggestion color BGR to gray. So we'll have to convert this image into one gray image, that is the BGR to gray. Once we have the gray image, we will have to invert that. So invert equal to cv2 dot bitwise not. So we'll have to use this function to invert that image. So bitwise not and pass the gray image inside this function. Now we have the inverted image of that gray image. We will have to blur that image. To blur that image, we're gonna use a function called the Gaussian blur. So blur equal to cv2 dot Gaussian blur. So this will take series of parameter. The first one is the image, that is we're gonna pass the inverted image, and the second one is the effectiveness of the blur. So we're gonna pass a tuple of 21. The third parameter will be the we want the standard deviation to be automatically calculated. That's why we're gonna pass 0 here. Once we have the blur image, we'll have to convert this blur image into a inverted blur image. So blur inverter equal to cv2 dot, again we're gonna call the bitwise not function, and inside this function again pass the blur image. So that's it. We have the gray image as well as the blur image. We can able to convert the image into a sketch now. So sketch equal to, we're gonna call the cv2 dot divide function. This will take the two parameters. The first one is the gray image and the second one is the blur inverted image. So pass the two values, gray image and the blur inverted image. And the third parameter is the scale equal to, we're gonna pass a value of 256.0, pass that value as a float value. So that's it. We have the sketch image. We can save that image using a function called the cv2 dot imwrite image function, and give a name for your image. In this case, doima sketch.png. This is our output image name, and from what image you wanna convert this. So pass the sketch variable here. So that's it. So let's save this file, and when you run this, you can see that we have a new file called the doraemon.sketch. So let's open that file. Here you can see now we have successfully converted the image into one sketch image. So this is the original image and this is the image that we have converted from that image. You can see the difference is we have successfully converted an image into one sketch image. So now let us see if we can able to convert a human face into one sketch art. So for this I'm going to search for human images. So let's try to find the image that suits us. Here the images is not suitable for us. Let's try to search for more specifically human face images. So let's try to pick a image now. I'm gonna pick this image here. So let's select that image. I'm gonna save that image as. So let's download this image now. So just right click on that and click on save images. I'm gonna rename this image as face.png. So that's it. Let's save this image. Here you can see now we have the file called the face.png. So let us try to convert this image into one sketch image. So let's rename the input image to face.png. Let's also change the output name to face sketch.png. This is our output name. So let's try to run this Python script now. Here you can see when you run this file, we got a new file called the face sketch.png. You can see that we have this image. So this is it. Now we have successfully converted that image into one sketch art. You can see that this is the sketch of that original image. This is the original image. So yeah, this is it. This is how you convert a normal image into one pencil sketch art using a Python library called the OpenCV Python. So this is for this video and I will continue in the next one.